Lovely bark.
Creepy.
He's like, what did you do today?
I just chopped down a tree, you know?
No.
No big deal.
Push it.
It's definitely gonna fall.
Push the tree, push the tree.
He's going on it.
Don't.
Girls,
And please don't take pictures.
we're not taking pictures.
We're filming.
We're filming. There's a difference.
Don't film.
Yes, you don't have to film them.
No.
We're not. Don't what? Film.
Oh. I'm gonna have to go for a swim.
I want to go for
Ooh, can we go swimming?
We have to put up a tarp.
Oh.
No, let's give up.
No.
Nice back.
So hot.
Is it all sweaty?
Yeah, it's like wet.
Well, he's chopping down a tree, guys.
Can I help?
Can I help?
Now push it. Oh, it's falling. You could have hit it one more time and it would have fell.
Oh!